YouTube, Far North Racing here. So it occurred to me that so far all the video I've shot of this thing is turning down a shaft to a specific diameter. And that's not exactly rocket science. You don't need to be a Staff College graduate to be able to pull that off. Pretty much any apprentice in the world should be able to take a shaft and turn it down to a diameter. So really all we've accomplished so far by hooking up the computer to this thing is making it so that I don't have to physically turn knobs by hand in order to make my cuts. So aside from preserving my wrists for something a little more delicate, we haven't accomplished anything that you couldn't do with just a regular power feed, or even if you want to be all like Castlegar redneck, attaching a electric drill or some other sort of battery powered or rotary appliance to it and using that as your power feed. What we need to do is to see something that you can't do with a manual machine. Something that justifies all the work of hooking up an ordinator to a lathe. And what I've got here is a conversational CNC can cycle that's built into Mach 4 that we're going to go ahead and demonstrate. There's uses to hook a computer to a lathe other than just being able to make cuts without having to turn knobs yourself. So with no further ado, let's give this a shot. There! That's what every boy wants for Christmas, a perfectly rounded knob. That's something you can't do by manually twiddling dials, and that is the reason why you go through all this work to hook a computer up to this lathe. A nicely rounded, finished end. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that